It's like 25 degrees today. Feels like a heat wave. I'm only gonna wear 2 sweatshirts. So this is the tree. It's not gonna be terrible. We'll have to put Hayden up on the roof. So those tips, because I won't be able to swing it in without hitting the gutters. No big deal. That's not terrible. I'm up here. Stand under the awning and pop it to you. Hey, under the awning. There you go, right there. Good. Pardon me, choking on a snack. So, we just finished running to the dump. I've done a horrible job filming the progress because I'm too busy being the progress. We're about halfway done. There's still a lot of logs. I'm grabbing something to drink. And we're gonna go back and rock it out. I'll send you some video. I'll post some, I don't fucking know. I'll take a video when I get there so you guys can see it. And now we feast. What'd you get?